Today we're doing a boxing of the brand new Swann Floodlight camera that they've just released. Now Swann is a home security and commercial security video company. Now they've released the Floodlight Swann camera as well. The good thing about Swann is that yes, they've got a bunch of different solutions, but the connectivity between each of the different cameras is getting better and better over as they release them. So you can have quite a wide variety of different camera solutions now for your home, and having the Floodlight solution makes it work even better for you. Now this is the black one, and when you open it up, you've obviously got your light here, dual lights. They shoot in 1080p. The thing about Swann is not only do they have the hardware, but they've got some cool software features as well. One of the things I like best is their True Detect software feature. So True Detect essentially makes a heat map of what the cameras are seeing. So for example, it will actually be able to identify based on the heat map whether it's a car or a human or a dog or a bush turkey or whatever is coming into your yard, and it will record based on what you tell it to do based on this heat map. That's one of the things that's exclusive to Swann and is built into their technology, which is pretty cool. The light is pretty good. You've got a couple of LEDs here. I've found that it shines quite a bright area. Widest bits at the top, thinnest bits at the bottom, and your motion sensor and camera down here. Now, as with many connected cameras, you've got the ability to talk remotely to somebody that's in front of the camera. So if you're getting packages delivered or whatever, you can explain to the courier driver where to leave them. All right, so that's the little unit here. One thing to remember, I need to say this, these things go into the mains power, that you don't plug them in yourself, depending on the region where you are. In our region in New South Wales, we were required to get a licensed electrician. He charges about 120 bucks for his time. It's not the kind of thing that you'll be installing on yourself. In the box, you've got your instruction pack, of course. You've got your base plate that comes with it. And this gives you all the different, the screws and the mounting plate that will go onto the wall. It's actually not that complicated to look at installing this. Really, it's going to come down to the regulations of where you are. So Swann, obviously it goes back to the Swann app that they've got, and it's called Safe by Swann, so you can download that and have a look at it. So this is the Floodlight security system, Wi-Fi enabled, just released by the guys from Swann. Really nice little setup, might work well at your place.